Hi there and welcome back to the series. In this video we're going to take a look at what happens when we delete a business and there are still people attached to that business. So let's dive into it. Right, so in our table people here we have our business related to that person linked and shown in here. So whatever happens when we should delete one of those. So for example, we're going to delete this business that is attached to Jane Doe and to Marley Zemlak. So let's head over to businesses and edit this one in the danger zone, delete this one. So this is actually gone right now. If we head over to people again, well, thanks to the null safe operator in PHP, we detect that the business is no longer there. So let's quickly show you that in the views person index. This here is detecting that business actually is null, so or is non-existing. So it's actually going to show an empty value for that. All right, so it's not showing, but in the database there still is actually an ID here of 1. And if I refresh that, yeah, it still remains here with the timestamp of deleted ad. If we head over to people, the relation for Marley and for Jane is still in there. So what I want to do, I want to show the business even though it's deleted. We can do that with adding in the model on our relationship. So model user, no, it's model person, yeah. We can add here withTrashed, so like that, withTrashed. Let's save that, and this will actually grab all the trashed ones as well. So refresh, and now we're still seeing the trashed one. But I want to do something different here. So let's head over to person controller here, and instead of grabbing them all, I want to actually dump and die them first. So person all, like that. And in here we have, and let me enlarge this a bit, we have number 1, well actually ID of 0. And in here we have the relation of business, which is null, but I think it was this one. Is this Marley? Attributes, yeah, that's Marley. All right, and in here we have the relation, the business, and in here we have the attributes, and as you can see we have deleted ad is something. All right, so let's head over to the index file here again and quickly delete this. There we go. And in the index file I want this one here to have a class, a class of, and I'm going to add a shorthand for the if statement here. I want it to be italic, and I want it to be non-italic if it's false. So non-italic, like that. And in here I want person, business, like that, and also the null safe operator in here, deleted ad. So only if there is a business and the deleted ad is not null, it will be italic. If not, it will be non-italic. So let's save that and head over to our and it's kind of like big because I enlarged it to see the dump or die. All right, so now I have the deleted ones italic and those that are still around non-italic. All right, so that's how you can play around with models that are already trashed or already deleted and still have their data around. So yeah, I think this is pretty cool to do some small features in Laravel. In the next video, we're going to have a look at many-to-many relationships. See you in the next video.